Good morning students. Today we are discussing about Excel. Today's topic is logical operators. What are the logical operators? The logical operators are and, or, not. Once again, the logical operators are and, or, not, not. The function description of unfunction. The Excel unfunction tests a number of supplied conditions and returns true if all of the conditions evaluate to true or false otherwise, that is, if any of these conditions evaluate to false. The syntax of this function is equal to and logical test, comma, logical test, and so on, where logical test argument are one of more condition that evaluate to either true or false. We can see with an example. Equal to and what is the condition given? A1 greater than 0. What is the value of A1 ma? 5 greater than 0. Next comma, A1 is less than B1. What is the value of A1? 5 less than B1. What is the value? 10. 5 greater than 0, true or false? In logical operator, if the value is true, it returns the value 1. 5 less than 10, true or false? True. In AND operator, both the condition is true, the answer will be also true. See, listen here, 5, 10, what is the answer? True. Likewise, see the other examples given below and you can find out the answer. Next function is if functions. The Excel if function tests a supplied condition and return one result if the condition evaluates to true and another result if the condition evaluates to false. Syntax of this function equal to if logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false, where the arguments are as follows. Logical test. The condition that is to be evaluated the condition that is tested and evaluated as either true or false. Value if true, the result that is to be returned if the supplied logical test evaluates to be true. Value if false, the result that is to be returned if the supplied logical test evaluates to be false. Let us see with an example. Equal to if a1 less than 0. See what is the value of a1? 5 less than 0. True or false? False. The condition is false. What is given in the second operation? The result will be positive will be supplied. We can see the another example. A2 less than 0. What is the value of a2? Minus 2 less than 0. Condition is true. Whatever the given in the parenthesis, the first quotation what is given it will be evaluated. What is the given? Negative. Next function is number. What is the function name? Is number. The Excel is number function test if a supplied value is a number. கொடுத்திருக்கப்பட்ட நம்பரா இல்லையான்னு பார்க்கும். If so, the function returns true, otherwise it returns false. Function descriptions. The syntax for the function is equal to is number bracket value close bracket, where the supplied value is the value or expression to be tested. See, listen here. Is number 1, is it number or ma? True. First condition is true. Is number? No. so it is false. Third condition, see 10 divided by 2 what ma? 5. Is it number or not? Yes, so it is true. See the answer below here, 1, 2, 3. Next function is even. The Excel is even function tests if a supplied number evaluates to an even number, and if so returns true, otherwise the function returns false. The syntax of this function is equal to is even bracket number closing bracket, where the supplied number argument is the value or expression to be evaluated. For example, what is the even number ma? The even numbers are end with 2, 4, 6, 8. Likewise is even number. Is even of 5. Is true or false ma? The 5 is a odd number, so it return false. We can see another example. Equal to is even bracket 6. 6 is a even number, so it returns a function as true. Next, ABS function. The Excel ABS function returns the absolute value of any supplied number. The syntax of this function equal to ABS number, where the number argument is the numeric value that you want the modulus of. The following example for ABS function. ABS of -1, what is the answer ma? +1. Whatever the ABS function, whatever is given in negative value, that will be taken as modulus, means the value negative value, the negative value will be converted into positive value. ABS of -1 is given as 1. ABS of -6.5, 6.5. ABS of 6.5, 6.5. ABS of 0, 0. Next, sine function. The sine function returns the sign of a given number. If the number is positive, it returns value 1. The number is negative, it returns -1. The number is 0, then the value will be 0. What is the given number? Sine 9.5. What is the positive or negative or 0? Positive number. So the value is 1. See the second example. Sine function is -9.5. It is a negative value, so it returns the value as -1. Third function, sine of 0. See the answer, result will be 0. Next function is sum function. Excel sum deals to adds together a supplied set of numbers and returns sum of these values. The syntax of these functions is equal to sum number 1, number 2 and so on, where the number argument are set of numbers that you want to find the sum of. For example, equal to sum 15, 29. What is the sum means? It is equivalent to addition operation. 15 plus 29. 9 plus 5 what ma? 14. Remainder 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 44. See the answer here, 44. Next, equal to sum A1 comma A2. A1 comma, what is the value of A1 is 5. A2 what is the given? 7. 5 plus 7 what ma? 12. See the result here. Next, third function equal to sum A1 colon A3. What is the value of A1? 5. What is the value of A3? 9. Up to the range we have to add it. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. Next, lower function. The Excel lower function converts all characters in a supply text string to lowercase. Syntax of this function is equal to lower bracket open parenthesis text close parenthesis, where the text argument is the original text string that you want to convert into lowercase. Let us see with an example. First example, what is the lower of A1? What is given? Already it is in lower, so the answer is given in lower case. Let us see the second example. What is the given example? Equal to lower A2. What is the value of A2? Capital test. So it converts the uppercase into lowercase character. See the answer, test. Likewise, see the other examples also. Next function is proper function. The Excel proper function converts all the characters in the supplied text string to proper case. The syntax of this function is equal to proper open parenthesis text, where the text argument is the original text string that you want to convert to proper case. Let us see with an example. First, this is a test sentence equal to proper open parenthesis A1. What is the A1 address given? This is a test sentence. Proper means the first letter of each word should be in capital letters. Listen, see here, what is output here? See the second example. This is a test sentence. It should be in capital letter. Proper means what I said. All the first letters in each word will be a capital letters and remaining letters should be a small letter. Once again I am saying, what is the proper case? Proper function means in a given sentence each word should be starting letter should be in capital letters and the others should be in small letter. See the second example. This is a test condition. See what is here output. This is a test sentence. Next function is upper function. The X upper function converts all characters in a supplied text string to uppercase. The syntax of this function is equal to upper open parenthesis text close parenthesis, where the text argument is the original text string that you want to convert the uppercase. See the first example. What is given in A1 cell? Test small letter. So upper of A1 means all the answers should be given as capital letter. Let us see the second example. See the upper of A2. Here already given in uppercase, so as it is the answer will be displayed. Third example, equal to upper of A3. Upper of A3 capital T is already given. Remaining EST is given as TEST. Next one, fourth one example is upper of A4. TEST in small letters, so it can be converted as TEST and 332. Next, char function. The Excel char function returns the character relating to a supplied character, the set number from 1 to 255. The syntax for char function is equal to char number, where the number argument is an integer from 1 to 255. Let us see with an example. What is the capital letter of char? ASCII value capital letter of ASCII value is A is 65, capital value of B is 66, and so on. What is the small value of A? The small value of A is 97, small b is 98, and so on. First example, char equal to char 65 means what is the value? Capital A equal to char 97, the small a will be displayed. Char of 63, what is the char of 63? Char of A3 means what is the address in A3? 63. Therefore, the char of 63 is question mark will be displayed. Char of A4, what is the A4 given? 51. Char of 51 is number 3. See, listen here. See the output. Next function. Concatenate. The Excel concatenate function joins together a series of supplied text strings or other values into one combined text string. The syntax of this function is equal to concatenate open parenthesis text1 comma text2 and so on, where the text argument are set of one or more text strings or other values that you want to join together. Let us see with an example. First, what is given in A address? Jan, Jane. What is given in B1 address? Smith, Smith, Smith. Equal to concatenate A2. What is given in A2? Jan, Jane. After that, comma. What is given? ஒரு empty space का double quotes கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கு? B2. Join these two things. What is the output? Jan Smith. See the listen. See the second example. The value of A1 is what John. What is the value of what is the value of A2? John. What is the value of B2? Day. What is the value of given in A3 is John, Joha. What is the value of B3? Day. What is when concatenate function is used? John Day. Whatever the letters given in capital letter or small letter, we have to join it, and as it is we have to write. Don't write it as fully as capital letter while using concatenate function. Left function. The Excel left function returns a specified number of characters from the start of a supplied text. The syntax of this function is equal to left bracket text number of characters close parenthesis, where the function's argument are text, the original text string. Let us see with an example. Equal to left A1. Left means what is the first letter Here what is the first letter? Left default, no number of characters not given. The first letter O will be displayed in the output. Let us see with the second example. Left A2, 4. What is A2 given? Original text. 4 letters, what are them? O, first letter O, from left function O, R, I, G. Total combinator 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 distinct like this way. What is the output? O, R, I, G. Let us see another function. Write function. The Excel write function returns specified number of characters from the end of a supplied text string. The syntax for write function is equal to write bracket text a number of characters close bracketed, where the function argument text, the original text strings, number of character, and optional argument that specify the number of characters to be written from the end of the supplied text. See with an example, right of A1. What is the right letter? Last letter T. So answer is T. Second one, Parma. Right of A2, 4. What is the right characters? 4. What is the right? A2 comma 4. What is the given text in A2? Original text. A2 comma 4. What is the text last letter? T E X T. We have to use right function, means from the right we have to choose as 4. 1 2 3 4. While reading the string it should be read from left to right. What is the answer, ma? T E X T. Next palma, third function, number 5. A3 address என்ன இருக்குமா? Number 5. A3 comma 1. The right means what? A3 is what, ma? 5. The output is as 5. Let us see here. Next, goal seek. Technically, goal seek is a process of calculating value by performing what if analysis on the given set of values. Another way of goal seek determines the input values needed to achieve a specific goal. Once again I am saying goal seek is the process of calculating value by performing what if analysis on a given set of values, or otherwise goal seek determines the input value needed to achieve a specific goal. Let us see with an example. See, the fourth exam produced a final grade as 70. What is the first exam of the grade, ma? First exam of the grade is 50 plus 80 plus 90. What is the fourth grade? Fourth exam that produced the final grade as 70. The formula B7 calculates the final grade. என்ன calculate பண்ணிருக்குமா? Final grade வேணுமா? What is given address? Equal to average B2 colon B5. What is the range? 50 plus 80, 130, 190 divided by 180 divided by 3. What is the answer, ma? 63.333. The grade for the fourth exam in the cell B5 is the input cell. Input cell la fourth value enter பண்ணும். And the data tab, in the forecast group click what if analysis. Once again saying, on the data tab, in the forecast group click what if analysis. Step 4, click goal seek. The goal seek dialog box appear. Select the cell B7. Step 6, click in the two value box and type 70. Click in by changing the cell box and select the cell B5 and click OK. A grade of 90 on the fourth exam produced final grade of 70. Once again I am saying goal seeking na நம்ம சொல்றேன் பாரு. Goal seek is the process of calculating value by performing what if analysis on the given set of values. Goal seek determines the input value needed to achieve a specific goal. What is mean by filtering? Filtering data in MX Excel refers to displaying only the rows that meet certain condition. Filter என்னமா? Filter என்னன்னா, when we use coffee or tea, we have to filter it using filter. Likewise, in MS Excel, we use filter. How to filter na? Suppose in a class there are 40 students, we have to filter those who got all subject in above 80. In all subject, we want to display the name of the students along with mark me. We can use the filter options. Once again saying, filtering option refer to displaying only rows that meet certain conditions. For example, in a class there are 40 students. The students, those who got in all subject above 80, want to display the name of the students means we can use the filter. How to filter a range of data? The following steps to be followed. Filter a range of data. Step 1. Select any cell within the range. Step 2. Select data and go click filter. Step 3. Select the column header row. Step 4. Select text filter or number filter and then select comparison like between. Step 5. Enter the filter criteria and select OK. How to filter the data? In the example, we will find the content of equipment log or technology company. We will display only the laptop and projectors that are available for checkout. Begin with the worksheet that identify each column using header row. First, what is the header row given? ID, hash, type, equipment details and checkout. Step 2. Click the data tab, then locate sort and filter group. Step 3. Click filter command. The shortcut filter is Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Step 4. A drop down arrow will appear in the header of each column. Step 5. Click the drop down arrow for the column you want to filter. In this example, we will filter the type column to view only certain types of equipment. Since the filter menu appears. Step 7. Uncheck box next to the data you don't want to view or uncheck the box next to select all to quickly uncheck. Step 8. Check the box next to the data you do want to view. In this example, we will check laptop and projectors to view only these types of equipments. Step 9. Click OK. All other data will be filtered or temporarily hidden. Only laptops and projectors will be visible. How to clear a filter? The following steps to be followed. Step 1. Click the drop down arrow in the column from which you want to clear the filter. Step 2. Choose clear filter from. Once again saying how to clear a filter. First, step 1. Click the drop down arrow in the column from which you want to clear the filter. Step 2. Choose clear filter from. Step 3. The filter will be cleared from the column. The data that was previously hidden will be on display once again. Using advanced number filter. Advanced number filters allow to manipulate number data in different ways. For example, in a worksheet of an exam grade, you could display the top and bottom numbers to view the highest and lowest score. In this example, we will display only certain types of agreement based on the range of IDs that have been assigned to them. Following steps to be followed. From the data tab, click filter command. Step 2. Click the drop down arrow in the column of numbers you want to filter. In this example, we will filter the ID column to view only certain range of IDs. Step 3. Choose number filter to open the advanced filtering menu. Step 4. Choose filter. In this example, we will choose between to view IDs between the numbers we specify. What is the between? The between means the number between 50 and 60 means the value will be displayed between 51 to 59 will be displayed. Step 5. Enter a number to the right of each filter. In this example, we will ID as greater than or equal to 3000 but less than or equal to 4000. This will be IDs in the range of 3000 to 4000. Step 6. Click OK. The data will be filtered according to the filter you choose and the numbers you specified. Per ID per 3000 and 4000 வரைக்கும் இருக்கிறவங்கள display பண்ணும். Thank you, ma.